Why is he going to that for?
Because he likes to do that.
Why?
If you don't watch it, I'm going to get her too.
Yeah.
I think you too.
Very good. Opportunities that we gave up, breakaways, 2-on-1s, mark.
I got hard hits.
And make a handful of excellent saves. Not to mention, the end of the game where there was flurries and kicks in the net.
You're out.
They came pretty hard at us.
You're out.
Trying to get the puck out and get our coach going after.
What?
Look at you. You look tired. You look worn out. But you got a victory. Would you be ready to go once again tomorrow in 24 hours in Detroit?
Let's see who wins on this one.
Yeah, sure. Just a good night's sleep and ready to go.
Just do it all over again.
Yeah, plenty of energy.
Well, the Pittsburgh Penguins certainly got off to a fast start in this game. Not just 41 seconds in with the first goal of the game.
Oh shoot, they're gonna give me help, help! No!
Pittsburgh skating, attacking.